Hi friends, this is Dr. Preetham Rajput, Director of Prisma Institute, Panvel. In these COVID conditions which are prevailing now, many of my friends, my family members, my patients are asking me what is exactly digital eye strain, which most of the people who are working from home are suffering these days. The second question which is commonly asked is what about the pink eye? If I get redness in my eyes or pink eye, is it COVID or is it something else? So what is digital eye strain? The symptoms commonly found in digital eye strain are redness in the eyes, burning sensation in the eyes, watering, foreign body sensation, headache and sleep disorders. So people who are working on computers for more than 6 to 8 hours per day or having screen time that includes computers as well as mobiles for more than 6 to 8 hours per day, they're getting this digital eye strain. Now there are certain norms uh, pertaining to computer use where you can protect yourself from digital eye strain. The first and foremost thing is you have to keep a safe distance of at least 1.5 feet from the screen. Second, you have to use the 20-20 rule. Now what is 20-20 rule? You have to work for 20 minutes and take a rest for 20 seconds. Now what is 20 seconds rest? You have to come out of this computer space. You have to focus your eyes outside at a distance object for 20 seconds. Again come back, start your work. Again do it for 20 minutes and take a rest for 20 seconds. So this is what I call as 20-20 rule. The third point is you have to keep the screen of your computer or the mobile, whatever you're using, at the level just below your eyes. It should not be at the level of your eyes. It should not be above the eyes. Third thing is you have to keep blinking your eyes frequently. The blinking rate should be 20 to 22 times per minute. By doing so, your eyes don't get dry. Okay. Fourth thing is you have to work in a semi-illuminated zone, not an extra illuminated zone or not at all in a dark zone. And fifth thing is you are supposed to use blue blocking glasses, or maybe you can call as anti-glare glasses, which protect your eyes from the glare which hits your eyes continuously from the computers. And after doing so, even if your symptoms such as watering, redness, foreign body sensation, headache, persistent, sleep disorders, they persist, then you have to visit your ophthalmologist. That means you need some treatment. Either you need some glasses, numbered glasses, or there is a change in your refractive error, or maybe you need some lubricating eye drops to be put in your eyes for a longer time. Yeah, special mention about small children who are right now studying their academics via online classes and online studies. Uh, Please make it a point that don't give them mobiles for their studying. Please give them laptops or desktops, which will increase the field of vision and will decrease their symptoms. And yes, definitely be vigilant about their symptoms, their problems. If they start complaining you about headaches, watering, redness of the eyes, don't neglect. Please contact your ophthalmologist. They might need. So this was all about digital eye strain which people are facing nowadays due to this COVID conditions and working at home for longer hours. I hope you have understood how to use your computers on eye point of view, and this will help you definitely. Thanks a lot. Thank you.